Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the percent difference from MA's indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the percent difference from MA's indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 31 different strategies, with 7 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 421 indicators, with a total of 172 winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the percent difference from MA's indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so I won't go into the details again on exactly how this is calculated or exactly how it functions. Again, that just makes the videos too long. If you're interested in that, then go down, click the link to the indicator page, and you can explore exactly how the indicator works. But basically, we have these two lines here, these two mid lines, upper line and a lower line. I've changed the colors of a few of these different lines. So the upper purple line and the lower purple line. Then you have these two oscillating lines here based off of MA's moving averages. They are in orange. And so what we are going to look for is the at least one of the moving average lines, the orange lines, to break above or below one of the purple lines. Now, I don't want to get in the habit of calling these moving average lines because they technically are not moving averages. And so we'll just call them the oscillating lines or orange lines. They will need to break up above one of the purple lines or down below one of the purple lines, either one or both. And then what we are going to do is look for them to go back into the center. So kind of think of it as almost like the RSI. And so let's go ahead and get on with the testing, see what we can get out of this, and you will see exactly what we are looking for here. Okay, so if we pay attention to the coordinates right over here, we can see that we have a set of coordinates for the upper purple line at 0.0557, and you can see that we have a 2 coordinates for the 2 orange lines, oscillating lines. And you can see that one is the upper band, and it is at 0.0570. And so those two lines are very close. It's actually just barely above the purple line at 0.05706, and so it is broken up above that purple line. So now that it has done that, let's go ahead and play it forward a little bit. All right, now we can see that almost immediately it makes its way back down underneath that purple line right here. That is going to be a short signal right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward, see what we get. Unfortunately, we do get stopped out on that one. Now over here on this side, we get kind of the same setup, excuse me, where the purple line breaks up above, or the orange line breaks up above the purple line right there. Now we haven't come back into the center zone yet, so let's go ahead and play this out. And we get the cross back into the center right there on that one. And looks like this one is going to get us to take profit. Yes, it did. All right, so we got one winner and one loser at this point. What I'm going to do is go ahead and speed up some of the video here. That way things don't get too long. And we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so we are at the end of the year. Now, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform. Our admins and regular members post almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting, taking profits on trades, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And the patrons really love being able to follow along themselves with those trades that our regular members and admins do so well on. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we've tested, shows which ones were winners and losers and their win rates, and you will get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we've tested, shows exactly which ones were winners and losers and their win rates, as well as links to go back and review the videos. And a new feature that we have added here recently for all the patrons is our admin Rob is posting regular, almost every day crypto scanner alerts. And so this is a crypto scanner that he set up himself, that he used personally to make really good gains in the crypto market. And he is posting the alerts that he gets from his scanner to the Patreon only channel for all the patrons to see. And he is working on also setting up a Forex scanner that he will be posting the scan alerts to the Patreon only channel. So there's a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all, so I highly recommend it. All right, so let's get back to the indicator here and see what we get. So you can see there we had 4 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we had 3 winners, 1, 2, and 3. So not too bad of an indicator. I really wish it gave more signals in 1 year's time. That would have been really awesome, because it seemed like it does a really decent job of calling tops and bottoms of decent trends. And so maybe this would be one that would work on a lower time frame, drop it down into a lower time frame. I don't know how stable it would be on the lower time frame as far as a win rate, but if it could maintain the same win rate, then it would be really decent for a lower time frame indicator. But for now, it's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.